the database design of our system. First, let me log into the internal system. Okay, so this is all the tables that we have in the database that has been created, and this is the generated DB images here for all of the tables. And from here we can see that all right, so basically for the top right and also at the bottom side is all of the directors content management system that we are using for our internal system. So we can ignore that. All of the data that is essential is being located over here. This is what we have created specifically for based on the requirement of the system here. So we have like around, I think it's around 20 something custom tables. Some of them are like, for example here, integrate tokens, where we are going to store all of the access and also refresh tokens for users for them to integrate with Lazada or Shopee e-commerce. And then we have like tables to store all the information of the location. Like for example here we have area, district and state, and this is like, this arrow indicates that in the area table there is information of the district ID, where the district ID is the ID here from the table district. And the same goes with district. It is being connected to state table here, where for the district we store a state ID which is linked to the state table. Same goes with everything else here that you can see, and most of this is only like relational, where we store the information on who actually creates that data for each table. This would help us to like troubleshoot and also check for who essentially make create or update the data information in our database. The other part of this is mostly on okay, so I have explained just now on the area, and the area is going to be used in multiple other tables, like for example in address, and the address is going to be used by like for example the business table and also the product. So here, yep, this is just the generated images, which makes it a bit easy to see the relation between each of the tables in one short and concise diagram, even though it looks a bit messy with this arrow. Most of this, if you look closely, is just to indicate on the information of created by and the updated by information. And if this feels a bit like too hectic for a non-technical user, it would be easier, especially for administrator, it would be easier for them to just like see the tables from here, and also from the settings one when we create the table. Like for example address, there is going to be like a foreign key many-to-one relation with area table just now, many-to-one relation with user ID and also business ID. So this is how you, if you want to inspect the table one by one and see what table that it is being related to, then you can do so over here as well. So this is like a very convenience way to check the relation between the tables as well. This is an alternative to going through the diagram. Yep. That is all from me. Thank you very much.